Let's do a quick walk and I'll come back and we'll look at some more stuff. And now it's getting weird. First impressions are always important. What the heck is... What the... Holy cow. This place is a little bit different. Go back this way as I shake, rattle, and roll. And I'll take care of that. You can see how well I have this planned. Wait a minute, this is still good gravy. Why would anybody do something like this? It just doesn't make sense, does it? If you were standing here, you'd still be scratching your head. I'll just kind of back it up one more time. Taking in the bigger picture. And going back out.